Martin Garcia, and I taught the listening conversation part A. In a part A, you will hear short conversation between two people. After each conversation, you will hear a question about the conversation. The conversation and the question will not be repeated. After you a question, read for a possible answer in your textbook and close the best answer. Then, on your one sheet, find the number of the question and fill in this space as corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Here is the example. On the recording you will hear, man, the exam was used hateful, woman, how did cold have been worse, narrator, what does the woman mean? In your text you will read the example scene, letter A, the exam was a really hateful. B, it was the worst exam she had ever seen. Letter C, it couldn't have been more difficult. Letter D, it wasn't that hard. You learn from the conversation that the man thought the exam was very difficult, and the woman disagreed with the man. The best answer to the question, what does the woman mean? Is letter D. It wasn't the hard. Therefore, correct is D. Part B. In the part B, in this part of the test, you will hear longer conversation. After each conversation, you will hear several questions. The conversation and the questions will not repeat it. After you hear a question, read for the possible answers in your textbook and choose the best answer. Then on your answer sheet, fill the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. The example is woman, a wall. Do you think you can help me hang this picture of the wall? There are only two of them. Men, sure, Monica. Where do you want them to go? Narrator. What are the men and woman discussing? Part C. In part C of the section, you will hear several tags. After each tag, you will hear some questions. The tags and the question will not be repeated. After you hear question, you will read the 4 possible answers in your book and choose the best answer. The example is narrator. Listen to an instructor tag of his painting. Man, artist Grant with a wielding force in the school of painting now as American regionalist, a style reflecting these characteristics of art at rural areas of the United States. Wood began drawing animals on the family from the age of 3, and when he was 38, one of the painters received a remarkable amount of public notice and acclaim. Now, to a simple question. What style of painting is an American regionalist? This is the example. There are from Americans in inner cities. Letter B are from the central region of the United States. Letter C are from various urban areas in the United States. And letter D are from rural section America. The best answer to the question, what style painting is now an American regionalist, is letter D, are from the natural section of America. Therefore, a choice is letter D.